Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Bianca and you should totally stick around. And if you're always here, welcome back. So it is officially the weekend. We are headed to Orangetheory. We always go to Orangetheory together on Saturdays. So we're gonna take the 9 a.m. class, and then I have this whole date day planned out for Colin, and he has got no idea what we're doing. So I'm pretty excited about it. You guys know we switch off every other day. This Thursday got thrown off because we ended up going to eat with my dad and Tara, his girlfriend. So I didn't get to do my date on Thursday. I had to reschedule and rearrange, and now it's happening today. So that's pretty exciting. I'm waiting for Colin to finish getting ready, and then we're gonna do the question of the day, and I really like today's question. So my outfit today, I'm wearing this new sports bra from Lululemon. It's the Energy Bra. This one's not the long line, but the backs of the Energy Bras always look the same. But I really liked this yellow color, and it didn't come in the long line, so I just got the regular Energy Bra. And then also wearing the beautiful blue Whitney Simmons leggings from her collection. So that's the fit today. I picked the question today. Today's question of the day, this is kind of a sensitive one, kind of. The question is, are you becoming the person who you truly want to become? So, like, you tell yourself, this is just an example. This might not be like the case for everybody, but are you like, oh, I want to be on this health journey and be health conscious and kill it in my job and always be positive and be optimistic and basically have a full cup and fill other people's cups? Or is that like what you're telling yourself that you want to be, but you don't think that you are at that point yet? And then that's just like a way to realize, like, hey, I'm really not the person who I want to be, but I can be. And then you can actively take steps to continue to work to be that person who in your head you really want to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Are you the person you want to become?
I don't think any of us are the people we want to become.
Are you becoming
I'm definitely
the
on the path to being the person I want to be.
That's what I meant. Me too.
For sure.
Me too. And guys, guess what? In about like a month, we're gonna have a crazy announcement. And I literally cannot wait. I'm terrible at keeping secrets. Like, I'm literally so bad. I have to keep this one.
I was just gonna keep building this. Get ready, guys.
I'm so excited. I can't even, like, I'm just, yeah. Make sure you're subscribed, man, because I physically am not allowed to say it right now. Like, I physically cannot. I'm so sorry, but holy crap, you guys are gonna die. Are they not? I'm sorry, I'm so excited. I wish I could tell them right now.
They'll be excited.
Made it to OT.
Hey.
Fingers crossed it's power day. Oh! Okay. Oh yeah, I have to turn mine off too. Mine's like demented and like turns on all the time randomly. Mine has issues. Holy heck, y'all.
There we go, thank God.
I'm gonna turn the car on.
I'm still tired, but like...
It was a power day. I called it. I only kind of like guessed because, well, yesterday was strength. My mom said, let me turn this towards you a little bit. Let me back this up. Okay, it was a power day. And, well, I guess if you went, you knew what it was. But, it was 90-second run for distance. That's them saying you're
like
doing
a push.
No,
like
that's literally them push. Saying you're doing a 90-second all out, but they're not allowed to do 90-second all out. It's like the longest all out they'll do is a minute. So they're gonna call it a 90-second run for distance, even though you're literally like trying to run as far as you can.
I just did slightly. I did in between my push and all out the whole time.
I gradually increased and I ended up running a total of 3 miles. I ran for like 10 extra seconds before when she called us out of the final all out so I could hit the 3.
I knew it. I was like, why is she still running?
Because I wanted to hit the 3. But oh my God, that was such a good class. And Colin and I were killing it in the weight room. And I love when Colin comes. I have the best classes, seriously, when you come, because we always like go synchronized together. Yeah. I'm opening up the sunroof to let there be light. But we always like do it together, and then like we push each other. Like we had to do push up to low row, and he grabbed the 25s and I initially grabbed the 15s, and I was like, damn, I can definitely do 20s if he, yeah. I was scared to roll my wrist. That's the only reason why I grabbed 15s, because the 15s have a flat bottom.
Oh.
And the 20s don't. Look at this really cute picture we took, and then I'm gonna go home. Isn't that so cute? I just like it. Showered and initiate secret date. We're back. We're drinking our protein. So the drill is we're gonna eat, get ready. While I'm getting ready, Colin's gonna edit this video that he has due today, which he'll finish it, so we're good. And then I'm just telling him the game plan. I'm making try release. I was really feeling my outfit today at Orangetheory too. I think if you're feeling your outfit while you're working out, it helps you work out harder. Anyone else agree?
I agree.
Yeah.
And if you're confident and like the way you look, like, wait, what?
Anyway, so Colin still has no idea what we're doing. I told him to eat, shower, and edit. And then we'll go once I'm ready. I'll take my time getting ready too, more time to edit. Okay, we are about to leave to go on our surprise date. He has no idea still. I gave him an option to guess. He guessed, no. He guessed a pumpkin patch. Yeah, they don't really know either. And it is not a pumpkin patch.
Hold on.
So let's go see what it is. Gotta turn off the lights. What I initially had planned before I had to cancel it on Thursday was like super fun. So we're just gonna do that like after Graham came in, because that's the next time I get a date day. Okay, so don't open your eyes yet. Okay. If this person backs in, ISTG, the one behind me, we're gonna have to park somewhere else. You can open your eyes.
I freaking knew it! Oh my god, I knew it!
How did you know?
We were on the way to Charlotte and I was like, okay, well, I'm hungry. Bianca's gotta be hungry. And she's been talking a lot about Snooze lately. I was thinking about it in my head. Oh. And then you said it was super busy and I was like, Snooze is always super busy.
We're gonna just go park across the street.
I knew it. I'm hyped though. This is gonna be good.
This is part 1.
Okay.
Okay.
I was literally about to say it, but I didn't want to be mean, so I was like, yeah.
You didn't want to be mean? Why would you be mean?
Because then you'd be like, ah.
We're at Snooze, part 1 of our date. It's really cute in here. Except they're out of mojitos. It's okay.
It's okay, they have
Yeah. We're going to this farmer's market to get some pumpkins for Halloween. We were gonna go down a walk down this really pretty road, but we just drove instead. Got our children in the back. It is so bright. They're sitting back there. They're about to get home.
We're excited. We're so ready to take them in.
We're back from part 1 of our little date. We put our pumpkins there, but I think we're gonna end up moving them somewhere else. But Colin has to do some work, so I'm gonna do some work and then we'll continue the date. We just came back for a little bit and we watched Twitches. And then now I need to turn the bathroom light off. We're about to go get pizza because it's, are you kidding? So like an extreme date. It's an extreme date day.
I wanted to hug and she turned it off.
Like 60 degrees, so we're walking.
It feels great.
Trying this new pizza place. This is like huge. We're having an ice cream date in the car.
Got some milkshake
because we are not dressed for the weather. These are cold and we were cold and it's really windy. That's the problem. Target looking at the iPhone 11.
We were looking at the camera and tons of people just left a boatload of photos on here. Like,
this one's that's my favorite.
Like, hold on, there's another one coming. Like, obviously they did not think to delete these afterwards for whatever reason. And these must have just been on there.
Morning. So Sunday we're about to go head to the gym to do our like off day, walk on the treadmill for about 30 minutes and then abs and a lot of stretching. Today I'm just wearing these Outdoor Voices pants and then a little sports bra, and then yeah, we have to go to the grocery store today, got some errands to run, and then we just have a lot of like work and editing to do today. So yesterday was our fun day, today's our work day. We've been working.
Hey.
And now I'm snacking with some toast. Peanut butter, eggs. We're going over to Colin's house later to hang with his family. We're having a good old Sunday.
True.
So we had a pretty lazy morning on the couch after our little off day session. I am doing my makeup right now because we're going over to Colin's parents' house and then we're gonna eat dinner with them tonight too. So yeah, I'm just doing like minimal makeup, like concealer, powder, bronzer, eyebrows, eyelashes. Done. This is what we're eating. It's like this country potatoes and wild mushroom. It's from Trader Joe's, but that's what this side thing is. We just got in the car getting ready to drive to Colin's parents' house because they only live like 15 minutes from me. For those of you who don't know, Colin and I grew up in the same neighborhood, so we're going back to that neighborhood. And there was a package pending at the office for me, but he went and got it for me. So it's currently Tuesday. I'm literally editing this video and realized I never ended the video, so I'm here to end it. But Colin and I, that's just in the future. And yeah, we had a really good relaxing weekend. All of Sunday we spent with his family, and then we went to a Mexican restaurant, hung out. We got sweet frog. I ate way too much. Also, side note, I accidentally got sugar-free vanilla and chocolate, like soft serve, whatever it's called, frozen yogurt from Sweet Frog, and it tasted like weird marshmallows. Didn't it not?
It did. It tasted like Rice Krispie treats, but not as good.
Yeah, so
like
don't make that mistake. Yeah, I was like getting it, and then I looked up and I saw it said like no sugar added, and I was like, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. But anyways, yeah, so we just went, hung out with them, came back, and literally went to bed. So that was all that happened for the rest of the day. But thank you guys so much for watching that vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the future because I'm in the future now. And yeah, fun things happened this week. So make sure you're subscribed, stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.